So this is a demo on how to take a Diana T06 trigger apart. Put a little tension on the trigger lever, allows you to push the trigger pin out and pull it out. Take the trigger out. Put tension on the trigger lever again to push the trigger lever pin out. There's a spring on the back here. Use the trigger to put tension on the sear to get that pin out. Take your sear out. It's got a spring on it. Then take your pins out of the safety, if you have any in there. Then just pull your safety out. Take your cocking slide out. Use your trigger pin to push the remaining pin out, which is for the hook, which you can dump out. So there's everything. It goes back together. Put the hook in first. The hook orients like this. So you want to slide that in there and get the hole lined up for the pin. Put your pin in. Put your cocking slide in. Safety. Put these pins back in. If you're using them, just kind of keeps it from falling apart while you're assembling it. Put your hook up. Put your sear back in. Make sure the spring goes up in the detent in the hook. Grab your pin. Get that ready to push in. Use your trigger to get that maneuvered up in there. And put your trigger lever back in. Get your spring. Make sure the top of the spring goes in that hole up there. Get your pin ready for that. Again, use your trigger to help get that hole lined up. Get your trigger pin ready. Done. And you can test it. Cock that sear. Operate your safety. Safety on. Can't pull the trigger. Safety off. Nothing to it.